Now, what kinds of, did you and she develop procedures to help with her safety concerns?
It was more her and her mom. As soon as she got into work, she would call from the bank's phone to my neighbor's house, let them know that she got in, she was clocked in, she was in the bank. And then before she left for the evening, she would call that in, let her know, hey, I'm leaving to come home. And if I was up for the evening, she might text me instead of letting me know since I was there at the house that she was clocking out, or tell me what time she was supposed to, so we would know what time to expect.
And is that the procedure that you guys pretty much follow?
Every night.
To your knowledge, did she carry or take any kind of protective things with her in case something happened?
It had been discussed. Me and Debbie had asked her, we intended to buy some for her, but we had never gotten mace or tapes or anything like that. Lights out in the bank and my car's still sitting there because I know that when she left work, she was very specific about her routine. She didn't leave the bank until she was ready to leave. She would take, her car keys in one hand, her purse, and she would take the garbage out to the dumpster and then go straight to the car. She never did any different.
When you say leave the bank, you
Physically leave the door and lock it up in the evening.
Okay. So otherwise she stayed within the four walls?
There was, once a week or so, she had to go out and clean the outside teller area and pick up some garbage and stuff. But aside from that, being a job requirement, when she was at the bank, she was in the bank and didn't leave until she left for the day.
So what do you do next?
Walking up to the car, her purse, nothing's in the car. I was kind of hoping to be there. And then I went and looked at the window to see maybe if she was walking out. I didn't know where the light switches were. I thought maybe she'd just turned them out and hadn't gotten to the door yet. And didn't see her walking around. So I looked at the break room because when she got to work, she would leave her purse and her jacket. And if she had coffee that evening, she'd leave it there on the break room right inside the door by 8 p.m. And none of her things were there. So I was kind of wondering where she at. And I knew the next place she would have gone was over to the dumpster. And as I got closer to the dumpster, I noticed my keys were laying on the ground and the back of her cell phone were laying there. And some other items, I don't remember exactly what they were.
Okay. Once you saw those items, what did you do?
I kind of freaked out, called Debbie, and told her that something was wrong, very not right over here right now. So she jumped in their van and came on over, and I think Mike was the one that called 911.